Good morning, students. I am Komal Sajwani from Amarchand Singhvi International School. We shall continue the discussion of the chapter Chemistry in Everyday Life. In this video, I am going to take up the topic Chemicals in Food. All those chemicals which are added to food for its preservation, improvement of quality, enhancement of taste, and addition of nutritive value in them are called food additives. The main categories of food additives are as follows: food colors, flavors and sweeteners, fat emulsifiers and stabilizing agents, antioxidants, flavor improvers, preservatives, and nutritional supplements. Let's now talk about what do we understand by artificial sweetening agents. Natural sweeteners like sucrose and fructose add calorie intake, and so many people prefer to use artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweetening agents are the chemical substances which provide sweetness to the food without increasing the calories to the body. These compounds are used as substitutes for sugar in foods and beverages, especially in soft drinks. These are non-nutritive in nature. Some important artificial sweeteners that we'll discuss in the chapter are as follows: saccharin, aspartame, alletane, and sucralose. Let's come to saccharin. Saccharin is the first most popular artificial sweetener. It is about 550 times sweeter than cane sugar. It is lifesaver for diabetic patients, and its use is of great value to people who need to control intake of calories. It is inert and harmless and excreted from the body through urine. Since it is insoluble in water, it is sold in the market as its soluble sodium or calcium salt. This is the structure of saccharin. Let's now come to aspartame. It is the most successful and widely used artificial sweetener. It is unstable at cooking temperature, so it is used only in cold foods and soft drinks. It is roughly 100 times sweeter than cane sugar. It is methyl ester of dipeptide derived from aspartic acid and phenylalanine. This is the structure of aspartame. Let's come to alletane. It is high potency sweetener, so the control of sweetness of food is difficult while using it. It is more stable than aspartame. It is 2000 times sweeter than cane sugar. Cane sugar is sucrose. This is the structure of alletane. Now the last one is sucralose. It is trichloro derivative of sucrose. Its appearance and taste are like sugar. It is stable at cooking temperature, but it does not provide calories. It is 600 times sweeter than cane sugar. This is the structure of sucralose. Let's now come to the next topic of food preservatives. Chemical substances which are used to protect food against bacteria, yeast and molds are called food preservatives. These prevent spoilage of food due to microbial growth. So, food preservatives increase the shelf life of different food products. Some common food preservatives are sodium benzoate, which is used in soft drinks and acidic foods, sodium metabisulfite, which is used as a preservative for products like jams, squashes, pickles, etc. Sorbic acid and its salts. These are used for controlling the growth of yeasts and molds in products like cheese, baked food, etc. The next topic talks about antioxidants in food. In class 10th, we have studied the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. There was a topic named rancidity in that chapter. And the antioxidants that you studied there were BHA, that is butylated hydroxyanisole, and BHT, that is butylated hydroxytoluene. Chemicals which are used to prevent oxidation of fats in processed foods like potato chips, biscuits, cereals, etc. are called antioxidants. These compounds retard the action of oxygen on food, thus reducing its speed of decomposition by oxidation. These also reduce the rate of involvement of free radicals in aging process. So it is always advised to consume more antioxidants. The most familiar antioxidants, as we already talked, are butylated hydroxyanisole, BHA, and butylated hydroxytoluene, BHT. That's all we had to discuss in this video. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.